Connecting your Questrade account to TradingView allows you to trade directly from TradingView's advanced charting platform. Here's how to set it up. Log into TradingView. Visit the TradingView website or use the app and log in or create a new account. Access the trading panel. Once logged in, open any chart. At the bottom of the screen, you will find the Trading Panel tab. Click on it to see the list of supported brokers. Select Questrade. From the list of available brokers, locate Questrade and click on it. A pop-up window will appear asking for your Questrade login details. Log into your Questrade account. You'll be redirected to Questrade's login page. Enter your Questrade username and password to authorize TradingView to connect with your brokerage account. Authorize the connection. After logging in, confirm the authorization for TradingView to access your Questrade account. This will allow TradingView to execute trades and pull real-time data from Questrade. Start trading. Once connected, you can now place trades directly through TradingView by using the buy or sell buttons on your chart, taking advantage of TradingView's analysis tools with your Questrade account.